Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna do a quick video on what's my favorite setting to put on my quick menu. So for the EOS R, I have format card in the favorite, and I have communication setting. This one I usually use a lot for the Wi-Fi functions. So I use communication setting in the second slot. For the third one, I just put it as a firmware update so that it's easier to access when the firmware load out is ready. So right now I just updated to the latest firmware 1.2.0. It has an improved IAF, and the IAF it can run on the servo mode. And the fourth one is not available because right now it's in the picture shooting mode, and this is HDMI display. It's just for display. I just added this one just for better, faster HDMI setting change. And IAF enable, detection enable. Function lock, because this one I think is helpful to me, because as you can see that I when the lock button, I use this lock button enable. I enable the lock button. When the lock button is enabled, this view it will be non-functional, because I don't want to change the aperture accidentally. So I have the lock button on. So this is multi-function lock. I let this one unchecked because I use this dial, the dial on top, for the exposure compensation, and I want to use the touch screen also. So if you want to disable the touch screen, you can just check the check mark, but I want to be able to use the touch screen as well. And for this one, for the multi-function bar, I usually accidentally touch on it. So when I click the lock button on, it will disable this bar. Also disable the control view for now. So these are the settings for the multi-function lock, and I found it's helpful for me than not randomly changing the view, because the aperture was accidentally changed a couple times for me. And that's it. That's the quick menu that I have. And I have another video previously on the other menu items, like the AF setting, IAF. Right now the AF method is on the auto face detection and plus tracking. I found it pretty useful for this one. IAF enable, quick continuous. AF disable. This means just, this is not like the regular continuous AF. It's just when the screen is on, do you want to continuously focusing. And the other quick one I want to show you what I changed was the shutter speed, ISO speed setting. This one I always set to the 1/125 for better sharp image. So that's the change I have for this ISO setting. This is similar to the setting that I have in the X-T3. I just want to set the setting. Also, just to point it out that in the white balance, if you click info, you look at the lower left screen, it said info. You can change the priority from ambient priority to white priority. This is similar to the Sony A7 III. So in the Canon, you can change from ambient and white priority. Right now by default is ambient priority. And sometimes if you want to shoot sunset, probably do the cloudy style, or change the Kelvin number by yourself. So these are the quick settings that I have for the EOS R, and this is mainly for the refresh of the my quick menu setting just to help you out. I think the most helpful one is this one. So this one helped me avoid accidentally just changing some setting. So hopefully this is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more video coming up. Bye.